Welcome back to Pancakes and Projects. A couple weeks ago, Mac was like, hey, can you put a horn on the Tuttio, you know, for safety? And I was like, sure, that's probably a good idea. And then he said, you know, like a little beep beep horn. And I was like, nope, I'm gonna put on one of these. If you don't know what that is, it's called an Ooga Horn, and that's kind of the noise that it makes. This one's probably circa 1960, and it's been hanging out in my shelf for a long, long time. So when Max said I need a horn, I was like, how about a noise complaint? A few of the things we're gonna need for this project, we got this converter. So the Tuttio battery is a 48, that horn runs on 12, so this is gonna reduce that down to make sure that works. I'm also gonna install this relay to make sure that it doesn't burn up the switch. We got some of Amazon's finest terminal connectors. We got these old wire cutter stripper slappy snipper things, and then a bunch of old wire. The one thing I didn't think about was, though, I don't have a switch. I wonder if I can find one somewhere. Let's look. Over in the truck / storage, and I think that looks crusty. That'll probably work. Well, it's not a clean install, but I got it wired up, so I'm gonna see if it, you know, bloop blops its thing here. I was also today's year old when I figured out I couldn't crimp wires very well. Maybe I should watch a YouTube video on that. Let's let her rip, see what she does. Woo! That's loud. I think he's gonna like that. There's no way he didn't hear that upstairs, so he should be coming down any moment.
Hey man, what are you doing in here? How loud is it? I mean, that's nice.
So he asked for a horn, and I gave him a 1960s circa Ooga Horn. These things have been around for a long time, really popular on Model A's. Anyway, it's on a Tuttio now, so.
You know, it wasn't what I was expecting, but it's nice.
That's loud.
I like
That's really loud. Yeah. We'll see you on the next.
Bye.